Hello students, last class we discussed about exercise 10.1 in mensuration. What is mensuration we discussed, and what is a solid figure we discussed, formulas, derivations of the solid object formulas, all those we learned, and exercise 10.1 also completed. What is exercise 10.1? That is only finding the surface areas and volumes of a single solid, either cone, cube or cuboid, or it may be cylinder or anything. Whatever they ask, whatever they given here, only single solid they given. Now here, next concept is surface areas of combinations of solids. Surface areas of combinations of solids. In this concept, surface areas of combinations of solid means here surface area is nothing but a TSA we have to find out. We need to find out the TSA, total surface area we have to find out. For what? Solid total surface area we have to find out. Which type of solid? Combinations of solid means two or more solids are joined together and they will ask the resultant solid, either surface area or volume, whatever it is. Generally surface area they will ask here. Next concept is volumes. Volumes concept is in next exercise again. Okay, surface areas of combinations of solids. Surface areas of the means two or more objects are joined. One cylinder, one cuboid are joined, or one cylinder, one cone is joined. One cylinder and one hemisphere is joined. Like that, combination. One cylinder, cone and hemisphere are joined. Cylinder, cone and hemisphere are joined together. The resultant solid, whatever you get, that resultant combination, surface area they ask. Surface area is nothing but TSA, total surface area. Though I mentioned TSA, total surface area, in this concept I don't use the TSA formula anywhere. Means because this is a solid which obtained by combining two or more solids. A solid, resultant solid is a solid which obtained by combining two or more solids. Means a cylinder and a cone is joined. Cone. These two are joined. Then your resultant solid will be in the shape of like this. Cylinder is there and cone is there. Though it is a two different solids combined figure, we need to find out the surface area. That is TSA. Though they ask the TSA, we need not to use the TSA formula in this whole concept. Particularly, they mentioned one solid, then you can. If one solid TSA means you need to apply the TSA formula. In this concept, combination of solids, combinations of solids, two or more solids are joined. So the resultant solids are this type of solids you get. In this one, surface area they asked. The surface area is nothing but TSA only. But since this is obtained by two solids, these two solids, common area will be there. Common area will be. Okay. This common area we have to remove it. Whatever the common area is, we have to remove it. Instead of that one, different CSA rate and we'll add it. We'll take the CSA of this solid and we'll add it. If it is a closed one, this base also you have to consider. If it is a closed one, this base also consider. Area of the circle. If not, this end is made with the semicircle, then need not to take anything because this top is covered, shaded with the cone and this base is shaded with the hemisphere, so that CSA of a cylinder, CSA of a cone and CSA of a hemisphere you add, you will get the TSA of this whole solid. You will get the TSA of a whole solid. Be careful, sir. Though they ask the total surface area is nothing but the TSA only. But here the combinations of solids you get. So in the combinations, whatever the common area is there which is shared with the two solids, that we have to eliminate. Okay. So first question. Figure very important in this exercise is exercise 10.2. In this exercise very figure. In that figure, what is the common portion sharing between two solids or three solids? Okay, you need to consider whether it is included or excluded. That you have to identify it. So, example, first one is exercise 10.2. First one, a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere of the same diameter. Mounted on a hemisphere. Toy is in the form of a cone. Okay, it is mounted. Mounted, surmounted means the base of this cone and hemisphere are same. The base of the cone and hemisphere are same. Sharing the base is a common base. The diameter of the base and height of the cone are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. A toy is in the form of a cone. This is in the form of a cone which is mounted on a hemisphere. Which is mounted on a hemisphere. Which is mounted on a hemisphere of the same diameter. Whenever mounted means surmounted means the diameter is common. Radius or diameter, whatever it is, same only. The diameter and the base of the height of a cone. The diameter of the base and the height of the cone are base diameter and height of the cone are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. Here, diameter of cone is equal to 6 centimeters. Diameter of the cone is equal to 6 centimeters. Means the same diameter is hemisphere also. So, diameter of the hemisphere also same only. So, radius is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, that implies radius of hemisphere and cone. Radius of cone and hemisphere is common. Is equal to 3 centimeters. And the height is equal to 4 centimeters. Height of a cone. Height of a cone is equal to 4 centimeters. Now what they asked? Determine the surface area of the solid. Determine the surface area of the solid means the CSA and the CSA we need to take. Okay, TSA we don't take because hemisphere and cone are covered. So this common region is sharing with the hemisphere and there is a cone. Example is a combination of solid. Whatever the surface area they ask only just to remember here. Think that is we have to paint this object. We have to paint this object means this outer part only will paint. Cone and down hemisphere will paint. We can't paint inside that one now because that is a shading. This base is shading with cone and as well as a hemisphere. Means covered it is, stick with this. Okay. So, surface area of the cone is nothing but a CSA of, surface area of the object is equal to CSA of a cone and CSA of the hemisphere. To find out the CSA of the hemisphere, what is the formula? Is pi r L. Do you have L? So, first to find out the L. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. That is equal to h is 4 square plus 3 square. L is equal to root 25 is equal to 5 centimeters. L is equal to 5 centimeters. Now, what does here? Surface area of object or toy. Surface area of the toy is equal to CSA of a cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Because hemisphere CSA only. Because this common one now CSA of a cone is pi r L plus this is pi r 2 pi r square. Since common base of radius is same now, So radius is the same radius only will take. If different radius means it take the different value. So if you take common L plus 2R, L plus 2R. Now substitute the values. Pi is 3.14 they are given. 3.14 into radius is 3, L is 5 plus 2R is 2 by R. No? Okay, 2 by R square. 2R is 2 into R is 3. 2 3s are 6. That is equal to 3.14 into 3 into 11. 3.14 into 33. 3.14 into 33. Multiply 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. 2 6 13 10. 2 digits of pi. So that is equal to 103.62 centimeter square. Surface area of the toy is equal to 103.62 centimeter square. Please write down. Check one's calculations. Okay. So here surface area is TSA only you have to find out. TSA, but we don't use separate TSA formulas. You need to imagine. What are the common points, common areas are there. That we have to exclude that one. Means common area is here. This one. This you are excluding. This CSA. This also CSA. CSA plus CSA. Okay. Next, second one. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and one cone at other end. Cylindrical fluid. One is a hemisphere, one end. Another end is a cone and a cone at other end. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeter. Radius of the common base is 8 centimeter. Radius is equal to 8 centimeter. And the height of the cylinder is equal to cylindrical and conical portion are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This height is 10 centimeters and the cone height is 6 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the solid. Find the total surface area of the solid. See here. So height of a cylinder. Height of a cylinder is equal to 10 centimeters. Height of cone is equal to 6 centimeters. They given. Now what they ask here? Total surface area of the solid means CSA of a cylinder, CSA of a hemisphere, CSA of a cone. Means first slant height find out. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. That is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. This is 6. This is radius only, no, or diameter? Radius only. L is equal to root 100. That is equal to 10 meters. Sorry, 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now, TSA of the object, TSA of the solid. plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. Radius is same, and CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus CSA of the cone is pi r l. Here h is a different h, we have to take capital H. I am taking here. This is small h without confusion. That is equal to PSA of solid is equal to, from all these one I will get pi r common, 2r plus pi r into common 2h plus here pi r into common l. That is equal to pi value 3.14. Yes, 3.14. 3.14 into radius is 8. 2r means 8 to the 16 plus 2h, 2 10s are 20 plus 10, L is 10. That is equal to 3.14 into 8 into 30, 46. Now multiply all these and write the answer. Multiply that. Let me know the value. Multiply and write the answer. Okay. So 3.14 into 8, 8 4 is 32, 8 1 is plus 11, 8 3 is 24 plus 1 25, and 46. 6 2 is 12, 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7, 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12 plus 6 15, 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4. 4 4 is 20, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 10. So 1155.52 centimeters square. Once again check that one in a textbook. 1156 point will be, I think. That one value is a difference I am getting. Check out once whether the calculation is correct or not. Okay. So slant height is equal to 10 meters and 2 pi r square. CSA of a hemisphere, because one end cone and another end is a hemisphere. No, CSA, CSA, CSA. 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h. H is 10 only, no? Yes. And pi r. Pi r if you take common, 2r plus 2h plus l. 2 8s are 16. 2h 2 10s are 20. 30, 46. 3.14 into r value is 8. Simplify it. Check out the answer, sir. Okay. Okay, height of a cylinder, height of a cone, separated, pi r l formula used. Okay, direct like this combination, please, like this, find out the calculations. Okay, few more applications based on the combinations of solids, we'll discuss in next class.